Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to transfer funds in Chime. Now let's get right into it. The first step is to initiate a transfer. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Chime account, go to the Move Money tab, select the type of transfer you want to make. That could be a transfer from bank, transfer to bank, or transfer to Chime. And once you've done that, you want to enter the transfer amount and select the source and destination accounts. Once you do that, the money is gone. Now the second step is to confirm the transfer. Of course, you got to review the transfer details, including the amount, the source, and the destination accounts, as well as to confirm the information is correct. Then you got to click or tap transfer to initiate the transfer. Now there are a couple of transfer options. The first is the standard transfer, which typically takes between 3 to 5 business days. The second is instant transfers. They are instant, but of course they will incur a fee. And the third is a same-day transfer, which means the transfer will be processed on the same day, but it may also require a fee. It won't be as instant, but it will be transferred within the same day. Now there are a couple of limits to note. Now the first is transfer limit. Chime has transfer limits which vary depending on the type of transfer and your account status. The second is a daily limit. Now Chime has daily transfer limits which varies depending on the type of transfer and of course your account status. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. If you have, thank you so much. We appreciate your support. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.